Hi, I'm Hardik Trivedi from OpenTech Designs. In this quick demo, I'll show you how the SolidWorks Drafting Assistant fills in custom properties across your SolidWorks files without even opening them. So this is the custom properties tool. It lets you add or update properties, whether it's part files, assembly files, or drawing files, all from the backend. So let's add some files. Let's have a quick look at the current properties. None. Close. So we'll add it to parts and assemblies for now. So for part number, let's add file name. So let's say file name that we want it as function. And apply, but have a quick look at the date and time here, and that's it, all updated. It didn't even open the files. Let's add it to this drawing files now. You can add as many properties as you like. And that's it. And you notice that none of the files were opened because it all happened from the backend. Because it works from the backend, it is incredibly fast, even with large assemblies or drawing files. Follow for more quick demos or message me for an early access or a live walkthrough.